Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can enter to Picsart and you can click here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can update your app here to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.